Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on what is program management. The process of managing programs that are linked to business objectives and increase organizational performance is known as program management. Program manager oversees and coordinates the various projects and other strategic initiatives throughout an organization. So how does a program management fit into an organization? Many companies set up a formal program management office to act as a centerpiece for managing strategic initiatives. This office houses templates, best practices, and standard operating procedure in addition to assign program manager to offer control. Now we will see what exactly does a program manager do. Program manager needs to balance delivering artifacts, engaging with strategic decision, managing stakeholders, and mitigate risks across the program. Some of them are: Number 1. Evaluate program. A program is reviewed and evaluated by a program manager who works with team to find risk reduction and enhancement potentials. Number 2. Risk management. A program manager should be able to take remedial action to decrease or control program risks. Number 3. Execute the program. Program managers are responsible for executing the program, which includes managing budgets and resources, defining the operating parameter and control, and maintaining the core element of the program. Number 5. Stakeholder engagement. The conversation between manager and stakeholder provides key insight into the overall scenario. Number 6. Improving the operating model. The operating model is optimized by a program manager to maximize rate of success and reduce the risk of failure. Number 6. Support decision. The program manager examines the results to see if there are any instances where system processes or outcomes could be improved. So let's check the skills and qualification for a program manager. Number 1. Bachelor's or master's degree in business administration or related fields. Excellent knowledge of leadership, time management, facilitation, and organizational skills. Working knowledge of digital marketing, strong working knowledge of Salesforce CRM software, proficiency in writing experience. According to LinkedIn, the average salary of a program manager is around 23 lakhs per year, but it might range between 6 LPA to 40 LPA based on experience and relevant knowledge. Top companies that hire as program managers include Amazon, Capgemini, TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, IBM, Cognizant, Accenture, HCL, and many more. In conclusion, we can say that the program manager career path can be a strong option for your professional growth. If you want to become a program manager, you should get as much diverse experience as possible. You must be able to negotiate, make budgets, and schedule, lead different group of people, and keep them on track as well as recover from disasters. So that's all about program management. Happy learning.